Very nice to see today the performances of the younger generation coming up and performing. If this generation takes it forward, then I think there is nothing shortfall to say that we will not see the 100-year very soon. And I congratulate Francis Babu and his team and ask everybody of you to get associated with them so that this tradition which is there, which has been there for so many years, continues in our state of Goa. When I was hearing the Mandos, there were a lot of things which I would like as politicians also to say. Yes, we politicians are fools sometimes and sometimes we are good. Now, whatever we do, sometimes we don't do what we are supposed to do, and what we do, we are not supposed to do. So it's a big zero, whatever it comes to the same circle. And when I heard the Mandos which were created, and especially with the burning issues which are here in the state of Goa, it amused me and also depressed me. And it amused me saying the way they have put it up and brought in a span of 2 minutes or 3 minutes what is actually happening in Goa. And it also felt that yes, we as Goans, we should see what is required for our state of Goa. In one of the Mandos they said that in a few years from now, we will speak Konkani with fellow other non-Goans who are here in Goa. Whatever reasons is there, I would like to share my thoughts. I always share my thoughts. Sometimes they may be taken in the right spirit, sometimes in the wrong spirit. But I have noticed that money is everything to us today. And because money is there, everything today, the younger generation finds it more convenient to go away from the state of Goa because they blame the government that we cannot give enough jobs. Or they blame the society that they cannot be self-sufficient here. Well, I will be criticized for my statement, but then we are all here, our generations were here, they have survived here, and we also can survive in the future.